Hello, everybody, and welcome back for week 21 of your pickleball PE unit. So, this week you're going to do a warm up that's this or that, but it's a candy version. So, that should be some fun. And then, after you do that, these are the two activities that we are going to be working on in the classroom as well. Pancake flipper, we're going to do first, so you can kind of read through. Um, Try to find a paddle of some sort that you could use, even if it's a tennis racket, ping pong paddle, something like that, that you can use. And you're just going to read through right here. This is exactly what I'm going to be doing with the kids here at school. And then once you do that activity, then we're going to move into the level 1 toss drills. So same thing, right? Right here, activity. This is exactly what I'm going to be doing with the kids here to practice what we learned last week. We're going to review our gripping skills, and then we're going to move right into these two activities, right? And then you are going to take a look at some of this pickleball practice that you can do, not all of it, but some of it you can do to just get some extra practice in and feel comfortable with your paddle. And so that is what you're going to be working on this week, right, in PE. So I hope after today, if you haven't played pickleball or since last week haven't gotten into it, that hopefully you will have a paddle and start to feel comfortable with the skills of pickleball and understanding how the game's played. All right, well, have fun today, and I look forward to seeing you for some more pickleball next week. Bye.